Now I will tell you how to use the feature of filter. We want to go to the filter options by two ways. Either go to the view toolbar, expand all, and here you can see filter by. Either click on this one, or either you can choose this toolbar, filter by. Filter window has been opened. Here you can see that right now all activities are displayed in the project. So if you can see from here, when you open some project, you have to see that at the start you have to see that is there any filter applied or not. So if there is any filter applied, you can check from this option. So you have to be careful, and you should select all activities when you are going to see any schedule. So now I will tell you how to use the different features of filter. Suppose we want to see the critical activities. I will simply click critical. It is by default. You can see that there are some filters has been created. So I will apply. Okay, and you can see the critical activities shown here, but you can see that these are some WS which are showing blank. So you can check this. If you want to disappear or hide these WSs, you can check this option, hide if empty, apply, and click OK. So there are 5 critical activities that are showing in this project. Previously there were 11 activities that were showing critical, but after applying the constraint, the criteria path has been changed. So you can also save. You can see that which filter has been applied here. You can see here it is showing that filter all critical. It means a critical filter has been applied here. So if you want to save this layout as, so we will save as training layout critical activities. The importance of using this feature is that you can save the layout, and you don't need to do all changes again and again. So simply you will select or import the layout, and all the changes will be showing here in the layout. So right now we have applied the filter of critical. Now we will go to the filter option again, and I will tell you how to make a new filter. So I will click on this new button. Here I'm going to show you the 3 month look ahead plan. So I will write the name here, give the title 3 month look ahead plan. Now I will go to this window. Here I will give the parameter. I will give the parameter that start of the activities is within the range of data date. Here you can see different options: project start, project finish, date, current week, current month. It's up to you. You can also customize the date, but here I am going DD, and I can also write simply here DD. It means that it is data date. So here in the high value, I will tell you how I will write from myself. DD plus 3M. M means for month. If I will here 3W, it is for the week. If I put here D, it means 3 days. So I am going here to write 3M. It means that we are going. You can see that data date is the date on which the project is scheduled. So our data date and project start date is same. So we are going to see the activities within the 3 months frame. So I am giving here the range from data date to 3 months. So I will press OK, apply, and you can see here the 3 months activities are showing here. So you can also see the filter name from here. In this way you can customize the layout. Another layout I want to tell you how to create, that if you want to see the zone area of main production hall, then I will tell you how to define that uh, filter as well. So I'm going to create a new layout. I will write here main production hall. I want to see the activities of main production hall. So I know that main production hall is defined in zone area. So simply I will select here in the parameter zone area is equals to, I will give here the value of that zone area. I am going to see the activities of main production hall. Simply I will select the MPH. I will click OK, apply OK. So here you can see that the activities of the main production hall is showing here. The main production hall activities are defined in architecture civil equipment. So in this way you can customize the filter according to your requirement. Here you have noticed one thing, that two filters are applied here at the moment together. So I applied intentionally so that I can tell you that how to select one of the filter. Previously I created a 3 month look ahead plan, and now I have created another layout for the main production hall. So in this current window you can see that the 3 month activities of main production hall has been defined here. So I am going to select only one layout, apply. Now you can see that all the activities existing in the zone area of main production hall is being displayed here. So now I will go to the filter option again and select all activities, and here it will show you the all activities as before, and no filter is applied here, you can see from here.